Hey guys, this is G Fox and Red Dragon here, and today we are playing Doki Literature Club. Now, I know this game, that it's basically about anime, so let's get into the game. New game. Hey! I see an annoying girl running towards me from the distance, waving her arms in the air like totally oblivious to any attention she might draw to herself. The girl is Sayori, my neighbor, and good friend since we were children. You know, the kind of friend you'll never see yourself making today, but it just kind of works out because you've known each other for so long. We used to walk to school together on days like this. Hold on. Okay, much better. The days like this, but starting around high school, she would oversleep more and more frantically, and I would get tired of waiting up. But if she's going to chase me after me like this, I almost feel better off for running away. However, I just saw an ideal in front of the crosswalk and let Sayori catch up to me. Oh, that's Sayori? Oh, I think that's a cool name. I overslept again, but I caught you this time. Maybe, but only because I decided to stop and wait for you. Oh yeah, guys, I already put my name. I don't know how. Well, I don't think, okay, never mind. You say like that you were thinking about ignoring me. That's mean, friends, G-Fox. Okay. Whatever you say, Sayori, I don't like you, though. Whatever. I don't like you, though. Well, if people stare at you for acting weird, then I don't want them to think we are a couple or something. Fine. But did you wait for me after all? I guess you don't have it in you. You mean to be, even if you want to. Whatever you say, Sayori. We cross the street together and make our way to school. As we draw near, the street is become increasingly spectral with other students making their daily commute. By the way, friends G-Fox, have you decided on a club to join yet? A club? I told you already, I'm not interested in joining any clubs. I haven't been looking either. That's not true. You told me you would join a club this year. Did I? I'm sure it's possible that I did. In one of our many conversations where I just mentally go along whenever she's going on about. Sorry likes to worry a little too much about me when I'm perfectly content getting by an average while spending my free time on games and anime. I would do that. I was talking about, I'm worried that you won't learn how to socialize or have any skills before college. Excuse me? Your happiness is really important to me, you know? I know you're happy now, but I died at the thought of you becoming a NEET in a few years because you're not used to the real world. You trust me, right? Don't make me keep worrying about you. Alright. I'll look at a few clubs if it makes you happy. No promise, though. Will you at least promise me you'll try a little? Yeah, I guess I'll promise you that. Yay! Why do I let myself get lectured by such a careful girl? More than that, I'm surprised I even let myself relate to her. Wow. I guess seeing her worry so much about me makes me want to ease her mind at least a bit. Even if she does exaggerate everything inside of her head. As school is ordinary as ever, and it's over before I know. After I pack my things, I stare blankly at the wall, looking for an ounce of movement. Clubs. Sayori wants me to check out some clubs. I guess I have no choice but to start with the anime club. Hello? Sayori? Sayori must have come into the classroom while I was spacing out. I looked around and realized that I'm the only one left in the classroom. I thought I'd catch you coming out of the class. I thought I'd catch you up coming out of the classroom, but I saw you just sitting here and spacing out, so I came in. Honestly, you're even worse than me sometimes. I'm impressed. You don't need to wait up for me. It's gonna make you late to your own club. Well, I thought you might need some encouragement, so I thought, Know what? Well, that you could try. You could come to my club. Sayori. Yeah? There is no way I'm going to your club. Meanie. Sayori is the vice president of the literature club. Not that I was very aware that she had any interest in literature club. In fact, I'm 99% she was the only one who only did it. Because she thought it would be fun to start a new club. Since she was the first one to show interest after the one who proposed the club, she has inherited the title vice president. Well, what a great coincidence. That my interest in literature club is graduated to be even less. Yeah, I'm going to the anime club. Come on, please. Why do I care so much anyway? Well, I kind of told the club yesterday I would bring a new member. And Natsuki made cupcakes and everything. Don't make me promise you can't keep. I can't tell if Sayori is really much of an airhead or if she's so cunning as to have planned all of this out. I let out a long sigh. Fine, I'll stop by for some cupcake. Okay? Yes, let's go! Oh, okay. And today marks the day I sold my soul for a cupcake. I technically follow Sayori across the school and upstairs. A section of school I rarely visit began generally used for third-year classes and activities. Sayori is full of energy, open the classroom door. Everyone, the new member's here. I told you don't call me a new member. I glanced around the room. Welcome to Literature Club. It's a pleasure meeting you. You look cute. You look adorably cute. Sayori always says nice things about you. Seriously, you brought a boy? Excuse me? I am not a boy. I am a girl. Don't assume my gender. Way to kill the atmosphere. Ah, Franz G. Fox. What a nice surprise. Welcome to the club. All these words escape in this situation. This club is full of incredibly cute girls. I don't know what I'm saying. What are you looking at? If you want to say something, say it. Sorry. Natsuki. The girl with the sour attitude, whose name is apparently Natsuki, is one I don't recognize. Her small figure makes me think she's probably at first year. Probably, actually. She looks like a kindergarten to me. She is also the one who made cupcakes, according to Sayori. You could just ignore her when she gets moody. Sayori says it quietly into my ears and turns back towards the other girls. Anyway, this is Natsuki, always full of energy. And this is Yuri, the smartest in the club. That's Yuri? Okay. Don't say things like that. Yuri, who appears more mature and intimidated, seems to have a hard time keeping up with people like Sayori and Natsuki. Well, it's nice meet both of you. Sounds like you already know Monica, is that right? That's right. Oh, when did you get here? It's great to see you again, friends G-Fox. See you again. It's great to see you again. When did we meet the last time? Monica smiles sweetly. We do know each other already. Well, we have rarely talked, but we were in the same class last year. Monica is probably the most popular girl in class. Smart, beautiful, and athletic. Okay. Basically completely out of my league. So having her smile at me so generously feels a little... You too, Monica? Come sit down, friends G-Fox. We made room for you at the table, so you can sit to me or Monica. I'll get the cupcakes. Hey, I made them. I'll get them. Sorry, I got a little too excited. Then how about I make some tea as well? I don't need tea. I got this. Okay, I'm good. The girls have a few desks arranged to a form of a table. As Sarah mentioned, it's widened so there is no space next to Monica and one space next to Sayori. Natsuki and Yuri walks over to the corner where Natsuki grabs a wrap tray and Yuri opens the closet. Still feeling awkward, I take a seat next to Sayori. Natsuki proudly marches back to the table, tray in hand. Okay, are you ready? Ta-da! My voice isn't good. Whoa! I like that. Natsuki lifts the foil up of the tray, reveal a dozen white fluffy cupcakes decorated to look like little cats. Why do you have to be little cats? Because those are my weaknesses, okay? Whiskers are drawn with icing and little pieces of chocolate were used to make ears. Ooh. So cute! So kawaii! I had no idea you were good at baking, Natsuki. Oh, you can tell because... Never mind. I can't tell because she looks like a good cook. Well, you know, just hurry and take one. Sayori grabs the first one, then Monica. I follow. It's delicious! Sayori talks with her mouth full and has already managed to get icing on her face. I turn the cupcake around in my fingers, looking at the best angle to take a bite. Natsuki's quiet. Hello there. I can't help but notice her sneaking glancing in my direction. Is she waiting for me to take a bite? I finally bite down. The icing is sweet and full of flavor. I wonder if she made it herself. This is really good. Thank you, Natsuki. Why are you thanking me? It's not like haven't I heard this somewhere else before? I made them for you or anything. I thought you were technically dead, Sayori said. Well, maybe. Not for you know, you dummy. Alright. I give up on Natsuki weird logic and dismiss the conversation. Yuri returns to the table carrying a tea set. She carefully placed a teacup in front of each of us, before setting down a teapot next to the cupcake tray. You keep a whole tea set in this classroom. Don't you worry. The teachers gave us permission. After all, doesn't a hot cup of tea help you enjoy a good book? Yeah? Okay, first, yes, and second, you have purplish eye. Okay. I guess. Don't let yourself get intimidated. Yuri's just trying to impress you. Really? That's not... Insulted, Yuri looks away. I meant that, you know... I believe you. Well, tea and reading might be the pastime for me, but I at least enjoy tea. I'm glad. Yuri faintly smiles to herself in a relief. Monica raised an eyebrow, then smiles at me. So I made it consider the literature club. I was afraid of this question. Something tells me that I shouldn't tell Monica that I was apparently dragged here by Sayori. Exactly. She dragged me all the way to the classroom, then all the way to the literature club where I have to learn. Well, I haven't joined any clubs yet, and Sayori seems really happy here. So, that's okay. Don't be embarrassed. We'll make sure you feel right at home, okay? As president of the literature club, it is my duty to make the club fun and exciting for everyone. Monica, I'm surprised. How come you decided to start your own club? You could probably be a board member or any major clubs. What the? Yuri nods in agreement. What happened? Wait, what happened? Did I click something? I guess we can... we can stop right here. Anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. That was Doki Doki Club episode 1, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace out, everyone.